2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Kasing init ng panahon ang excitement ng mga idol hopefuls sa panibagong pagkakataon makakuha ng golden ticket ngayong araw. Lalo na ang unang sasalang sa auditions na may gustong patunayan hindi lang sa judges, kundi sa kanyang sarili.
Hello, Ma'am Sir. Nice ka na! MC!
Ano yung pangalan mo?
Hello, Ma'am. My name is Jessica Tubig from Zamboanga City and 19 years old.
Zamboanga City, di ba
Yes!
galing kayo?
Yes po, Zamboanga. Yung ano po, kuratsa. Na-try nyo na po yung kuratsa.
Kuratsa!
Oh, it's very delicious.
Sarap yun!
That's good at you.
Ano siya, parang... Pagkain siya. It's a crowd.
Opo, pagkain masarap yun siya po.
Okay.
Ang ganda mo para sa kanya.
Hi Ma'am. Kakantahin ko po ngayon yung favorite song ng tatay ko kasi alam niyo naman na Father's Day ngayon. At wait Ma'am, yung may bibigay po ako na roses.
Oh!
Sir Ma'am, ito po yung gawa ng sa tatay ko at tatay ko yung nasa langit. Sana makatulog yan. Thank you.
You're so sweet, adorable.
Thank you Ma'am, thank you.
Okay, so... Oh my God, sorry sa narinig ko. You're so sweet. Ang sweet mo talaga. So, sana magamutong ka din.
Thank you Ma'am, thank you.
Yes.
So,
when you're ready,
when you're ready.
go and sing.
Wala ka na yung sweet ka na talaga. Maganda yung boses mo, pero alam mo bang, idol kasi ang hinahanap natin eh. Dapat merong looks. Maganda naman boses mo, pero parang may kulang. Meron kami hinahanap na impact. Ganun, parang hindi pa sapat yung ginawa mo ng lahat. Ikaw, Myra.
I like your voice. You're so sweet.
Wow!
I really love your performance. I love it. Ikaw yung hinahanap namin sa Idol Philippines. So,
Ginagawa mo?
technically speaking,
Dalawang beses na yan!
notes is very important. So, just keep practicing, keep singing.
The high notes is very important, so just keep practicing, keep singing.
You have very much potentials in the Idol Philippines. Thank you. You, James.
I like your voice. You have the voice. You're hitting the note. You have the energy, the looks, and I like your genre. Aside from singing, do you have other talent?
Oh, yes.
Can you dance?
Moves po. Ay, talent pala, talent. Talent pa po? Kaya ko pong sumayaw. Yes. Don't try me po. James Reid.
Low energy, matamlay, low focus ka. Baka energy gap yan. 4 out of 5 kids have it. Energize! Start your day the champion way. Be energy, energy gap. Be energy gap. Heartbeat energy, energy gap, beat energy gap. Drink Milo every day. Milo every heartbeat energy, energy gap, beat energy gap. Drink Milo every day. Milo every day.
Nice move!
Grabe siya. Gusto ko siya. Parang mas bagay sa yung ginawa mo nung next. Na nagpakatotoo ka. Pwede kang pumasok ng PBB siguro. Bagay na-
So, what are we waiting for? Let's make a vote.
Para sa akin, unahin ko na si...
You have the voice. I really love your talent. I see so much potential in you. But just keep the high notes high. So it's a yes for me. You, Myra?
For me, yes. Sa akin, hindi ka, wala kang look siguro, meron ka lang moves. Pwede na yung boses mo, pero hindi pwede yung pwede na dito sa Idol Philippines. So, para sa akin, you have 2 yeses. So, sorry, I say no. No. Ikaw, James Reed.
So, you only need one yes to get in. So, my answer is yes.
Got 3 yes.
Thank you, Idol Philippines. See you on CD, Idol CD.
Audio Jungle.